Assalamualaikum. Hai semua. Apa khabar? I hope everyone is taking care of ourselves well, especially during this rainy season. Today's lesson is the continuation of the previous video part 1 of Malay words related to health. Link is above if you haven't seen that lesson yet. Let's start with the first word. Sakit. Sakit. Not sakit, but pronounced as sakit. In English, it could mean the following: pain, ache, sick, hurt. And when we feel the pain, we will make these interjections. Aduh, adoy, aduh sakit, adoy sakit, sakit. Let's make a phrase with just a pronoun saya. Saya sakit. Saya sakit. I am sick. And sometimes we will say saya tak sihat. Saya tak sihat. Literally means I'm not healthy. Or it could mean I'm not well. Or just I'm sick. Or you could also say, saya tak berapa sihat. Saya tak berapa sihat. Literally means I'm not really healthy. Or it could mean I'm not that well. Tak berapa means not really or not that. Next, you could add the body parts that we have learned in the previous lessons like this. Saya sakit plus body parts. For example, saya sakit kepala. Saya sakit kepala. I have a headache. Here, kepala means the head and sakit means the pain or ache. Similarly, headache can be said in Malay as saya pening kepala. Saya pening kepala. I have a headache. More examples of saya sakit with the body parts are saya sakit perut. Saya sakit perut. I have a stomach ache. Here, perut means stomach. And sometimes we could say the body parts first and followed by saya sakit. For example, bahu saya sakit. Bahu saya sakit. My shoulder hurts. Lutut saya sakit. Lutut saya sakit. My knee hurts. Mata saya sakit. Mata saya sakit. My eyes hurt. Check out these videos of body parts and body parts quizzes so you may use these vocabularies with the phrase saya sakit. Links for the videos are in the description. Now let's look at the other common sickness. Demam. Demam. Fever. Saya demam. Saya demam. I have a fever. Saya tengah demam. Saya tengah demam. I am having a fever. Now let's see a common dialogue between a patient and a doctor. Here, the patient is a lady. Cik, sakit apa? Cik, sakit apa? Miss, what is your sickness? If the patient is a man, the doctor will say, Encik sakit apa? Encik sakit apa? Mister or Sir, what is your sickness? It is not uncommon where the doctor just say directly to you as sakit apa? Sakit apa? What is your sickness? When the patient says, saya demam doktor, saya demam doktor, I have a fever doctor, naturally the doctor will ask, dah berapa hari demam? Dah berapa hari demam? How many days have you had fever? And the patient may reply, dah 2 hari doktor, dah 2 hari doktor. It has been 2 days doctor. You may replace the number of days accordingly. You can study the lesson for numbers at the above link. Let's practice this dialogue. I will be the doctor and you will be the patient. The patient is a lady. Jom mula. Cik sakit apa? Dah berapa hari demam? Now the patient is a man. Encik sakit apa? Dah berapa hari demam? Before we proceed, tolong saya. Help me to grow the channel by doing the following. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. More common sickness is batuk, cough. Selsema, flu or cold. Now we will apply the same method previously used with the pronoun saya. Saya batuk. Saya ada batuk. Saya tengah batuk. Saya selsema. Saya ada selsema. Saya tengah selsema. You may use either one of these to answer the doctor. Let's chat more with our doctor. Ada batuk? Ada batuk? Do you have a cough? Ya, ada batuk sikit. Ya, ada batuk sikit. Yes, I have a little cough. Ada selsema? Ada selsema? Do you have flu or cold? Tak, saya tak ada selsema. Tak, saya tak ada selsema. No, I don't have flu. I don't have a flu. Or no, I don't have cold. I don't have a cold. Let's practice this dialogue. I will be the doctor and you will be the patient. Jom mula. Ada batuk? Ada selsema? Bagus, good. More sickness to learn. Sakit tekak. Sakit tekak. Sore throat. Cirit-birit. Cirit-birit. Diarrhea. Now we will apply the same method used previously using the pronoun saya. Saya sakit tekak. Saya ada sakit tekak. Saya tengah sakit tekak. Saya cirit-birit. Saya ada cirit-birit. Saya tengah cirit-birit. You may use any of these examples when speaking to the doctor. Let's chat again with our doctor. Sakit tekak ada tak? Sakit tekak ada tak? Do you have sore throat? Ada doktor. Ada doktor. I have sore throat, doctor. Or I have, doctor. Ada sakit lain ke? Ada sakit lain ke? Any other illness? Ada, doktor. Cirit-birit. Ada, doktor. Cirit-birit. I have, doctor. Diarrhea. Let's practice this dialogue. I will be the doctor and you will be the patient. Jom mula. Sakit tekak ada tak? Ada sakit lain ke? Another word that is essential to learn when we think that we are sick, saya rasa. Saya rasa. I feel. I think. Another phrase that is very essential to learn is when we think that we are sick. We already learned the phrase saya sakit. Now, we can add the phrase saya rasa to the phrase saya sakit. Saya rasa saya sakit. Saya rasa saya sakit. I feel I'm sick. I think I'm sick. Your boss might say this to you. Kalau kamu rasa sakit, pergi jumpa doktor. Kalau kamu rasa sakit, pergi jumpa doktor. If you are feeling sick, go see a doctor. Another way to use the phrase saya rasa is like this. Saya rasa saya plus sickness. I feel I'm or I think I'm. For example, saya rasa saya nak sakit. Saya rasa saya nak sakit. I think I'm getting sick. Saya rasa saya demam. Saya rasa saya demam. I feel I have a fever. Or I think I have a fever. There are more words related to health which could be used with the phrase saya rasa. For example, sejuk. Sejuk. Saya rasa sejuk. Saya rasa sejuk. I feel cold. Panas. Panas. Hot. Saya rasa panas. Saya rasa panas. I feel hot. Muntah. Muntah. Saya rasa nak muntah. Saya rasa nak muntah. I feel like vomiting. Penat. Penat. Tired. Saya rasa sangat penat. Saya rasa sangat penat. I feel so tired. Pitam. Pitam. Passing out. Saya rasa nak pitam. Saya rasa nak pitam. I feel like passing out. More words related to health are pengsan. Pengsan. Fainted. Dia pengsan. Dia pengsan. He or she fainted. Dia penat sangat sampai pengsan. Dia penat sangat sampai pengsan. He or she was too tired until he or she fainted. Menggigil. Menggigil. Trembling. Badan saya menggigil. Badan saya menggigil. My body is trembling. Tarik nafas. Tarik nafas. Breathe in or inhale. Hembus nafas. Hembus nafas. Breathe out or exhale. Or lepaskan nafas. Lepaskan nafas. breathe out or exhale. Cuba angkat tangan. Cuba angkat tangan. Try lifting your hand. Buka mulut. Buka mulut. Open your mouth. Bedah. Bedah. To operate. Pembedahan. Pembedahan. Operation or surgery. Bilik pembedahan. Bilik pembedahan. Operation theatre or surgery room. Okay, we are almost reaching the end of the lesson. And to wrap this up, I would like to say, kalau sakit, pergi jumpa doktor. Kalau sakit, pergi jumpa doktor. If you are sick, go see a doctor. Okay, take care everyone. Terima kasih for staying online until the end of the lesson. I hope it is useful. Until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.